In this video, we're going to show you how to set up a document camera for use from home if you don't have one available. I've got my phone right here, and in my phone, I've joined the Zoom call that I'm in on my desktop. All I've done right here is I've taken a couple boxes of Kleenex, I've got my phone joined with video to the Zoom call, and right here, I'm just going to hit Start Video. We need to make sure on our host that we are allowed to start video, so I've asked my phone to start. Hit start on the phone. I place my phone on top of a couple boxes of Kleenex. And now, if I, as the host, pin my phone's video, that we do have some video on there. In my case, looks like that's upside down. So we'll just take our boxes of Kleenex, move them to the other side, and you can see what I'm doing on this piece of paper. There you go. It isn't perfect, but this is something that may be useful for some of you.